Hi, I'm Yolo Queen B, and I'm doing a reading for November 2021 for the sun sign of Scorpio. How you doing, Scorpio? We just ended Scorpio season, and now it's officially Sagittarius, huh? I hope you had a good birthday month, Scorpios. Your birthday is right at that where it's just starting to get cold, huh? Winter is among us. All right, Scorpio. I've shuffled the cards, prayed over them, cleansed them with our sage, have incense for our ancestors, and a candle for the angels that are drawn to the light and the warmth. All right. Elohim, give messages for our Scorpio collective. What's going on with Scorpio? Scorpio. Having a good time, Scorpio? What's going on? Scorpio. All right, we have the Page of Cups, the Three of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, the Emperor, and the Five of Pentacles. So Page of Cups, this is definitely water energy. So this could be Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, but this is truly a Scorpio card. So a page is about messages. So someone's trying to come and offer a small cup of love. It could even be a younger person coming to offer their small cup of love. The Three of Pentacles, there's different meanings. That means learning a new skill or a collaboration amongst a group of people. This is also can mean a third-party situation. So maybe a Pisces is trying to offer a small cup of love, but it's a third-party situation. And I say that because of the Eight of Swords. You see, this person is in their head. They're in their like self-afflicted mental prison. You could see the bandages look like they could just fall off. This could just fall off. And these swords represents the mental conflict that they're facing. But really, they're in their own head. So maybe you're in your head, Scorpio, about offering a small cup of emotions to somebody, to some kind of situation that is more than one person. Are you offering your cup of love? You got three people you want to offer your cup of love to? And here we have the Emperor. Now the Emperor, this is Aries energy. This is someone who, fire energy, sits on their throne, and they're very balanced, but the Emperor's got his eye on everything. Five of Coins meaning someone feeling left out in the cold. So I don't know if there's an Emperor of some kind feeling left out in the cold. Or an Emperor wants to offer his cup of love to somebody who's in some kind of collaboration or third party. So that's why they're in their head about it. They're feeling left out in the cold. Let's get some clarify. What is this? What is this Page of Cups? What's the offering? It's going to take strength. Or a Leo. Maybe Scorpio, there's a Leo that's trying to offer you a cup of love. Or you're trying to offer a Leo some kind of cup of love. Or whatever it is, whatever you're trying to offer is going to take strength. Clarify the strength. Why is it going to take the strength? Maybe there's a lot of confusion, or you just have a lot of choices, and maybe that's what it is. You don't know what to choose. There's three people to choose from, possibly, to give this cup of love to. It's going to take strength. All I can say is choose wisely. Choose wisely, especially if you're a young person who has no children. Listen, You could choose the package that looks beautiful, the hair, the eyes, the lashes. But remember this, you got to choose a woman, because if you have children, her mindset's going to raise your children. So you really got to be careful, you know, like free will is a motherfucker. Let me tell you. Choose wisely, Leo. And maybe this Leo is the emperor, and he's got to figure something out. Shoot. If you got that much confusion, I'd say don't choose me. For real. Mm-mm. Tell me about the... Well, there was the strength. We said the strength and confusion. Dang. Why are you going to be confused? What's going on, Scorpio? Why are you in the head? What's this? Again, see? Still. It's burdensome. This is the Knight of Wands. This is like someone, the wounded warrior, like he's battled all these battles, right? And he's just standing here like taking a pause. He's almost to the end. He's almost at the end of the conflicts. But he's still definitely, someone are in their head about you, Scorpio. You're in your head about somebody. Clarify this Knight of Wands. What is this Knight of Wands and stuff? That you're waiting for, you're in some kind of contemplation. You're definitely in your head contemplating. Maybe you're even isolated yourself because you're planning for the future. You've clearly made a choice in your future. So now you're just waiting for your ships to come in. Why do they feel this? What's this Five of Coins? Clarify this Five of Coins. Again, the King of Pentacles. You know, maybe it's going to affect... Again, this is Aries energy like we had here. The Emperor. The Emperor and the King of Pentacles. There's somebody who has money. So you're really contemplating your choices because it could, you know, you don't want no one to mess with your money. I don't blame you. She used to be my girl. Clarify this Seven of Cups. Why is there choices? Or what is it? Shh. The Knight of Cups in reverse. That means someone who no good. No good. Can't be good. Cups. Knight of Cups. You gotta be careful. This person is perfectionism and disappointment, right? So maybe that's your choice. Maybe you're looking for perfection and you're gonna be disappointed by having that mindset. Or someone who's coming in. You know, the Knight is about someone in Knight energy who coming in, they look perfect, but you're going to be disappointed in that choice. What about this Knight of Cups? Why are they in reverse? The Knight of Coins, Nine of Coins, Nine of Pentacles, and the Death. So that means that someone who's appears to be independent, has her own stuff, her own money. This is an independent woman, dark skin, who has their own money, has it together. But there's death. Death is Scorpio and Tarot. So, but a death means an ending, a transition. So maybe it might look good, but it might not be good. So that's something you have to think about there, Scorpio. And the Death card is you. Look at it. So maybe you're going to put to death thinking about this this person. This also is Pentacles, so this is also Virgo. So maybe there's a death, an ending with the Virgo that you that needs to happen there, Scorpio, because that person is causing you. Like I said, they appear perfect. They appear perfect, but it's going to be disappointment and cause you a lot of confusion. Or that's why you have a lot of confusion, because this person appears perfect, but it's going to be disappointment with this single woman here. You know what I'm saying? Something you need to think about. What's this Three of Wands? What have you properly panned? Again, the World in reverse. And the Six of Coins. Six of Coins means balance, equal give and take. In the World, there's a delay. Let's see. The World in reverse, there's incomplete action, or incomplete action or delayed celebration. So there's something, like I said, there has to be an ending and a transition for something before you can move forward. So that's something you have to think about there, Scorpio. What is it you got to clean up before you can move forward? Maybe this third-party situation. All right, let's get some sunshine from our Gaia deck. Gaia by Toni, Carmine, Salerno. Beautiful deck. Beautiful messages. Got me through a lot of dark days. Thanks be to Spirit, Elohim. That's right. All right. Love team, give us a good message for Scorpio and our Gaia cards. Give us a good message for Scorpio. What do they need to hear? 2 cards. Here we go. We got Amethyst. That's a beautiful card. Which is a 41, which breaks down to a 5. Again, that speaks of change. Where this Death card and the... no, we got the other one. It's here. Where'd it go? I thought we had both the Death and the Devil. Oh, that was the other reading. Oh, you know what? Scorpio, you might want to go listen to the Virgo. And also the Libra reading. But yeah, we have the Death card. That means there has to be an end to something. Amethyst. And that's, you know, I'm talking about 5, right? And then Peace, 26, breaks down to an 8. And 8 is about abundance. Let's go do Amethyst first. A profound transformation is taking place in your life. After much soul searching, you are now back in control. A new you is emerging, poised and with renewed sense of confidence. You can move forward with certainty. The past is now behind you. The hard work has been done. All you have to do is decide what is it that you truly want. All is now possible. Listen to your heart and don't settle for second best. Set your course and then go for it. Be certain, be confident, and all is yours for the taking. Be blessed. Affirmation. You see what I'm saying? Come on, Spirit. They're telling you about a profound transformation. That's what the Death card is. Confirmation. Come through, Spirit. I heard that. Affirmation. I give thanks for the transformation and healing that has taken place. I move through life with gratitude. I move through life with certainty. I move through life with confidence. I achieve my goals. What I focus on, I create. Good stuff, Scorpio. So, sounds like you're going to have to make a decision about something. And then we got this card here. Card of peace. So hopefully your choices and your transformation bring you peace, right? Peace. Dissolving unwanted or disturbing thoughts. There is truly no point in worrying about things that are not in your control. Worry does not help anyone, nor does it help resolve anything. On the contrary, it often makes things seem worse than they actually are. Life is such that we can always find something to worry about. Yet, for your own well-being and for the well-being of those around you, it is vital. It is vital that you learn to deal with things in a more positive way, to stop the endless cycles of disturbing and negative thoughts. You are advised to train yourself to focus on the positive side of things. Set aside time at the beginning and end of each day to meditate. Bring your awareness within. Feel and imagine yourself surrounded by love and light. Allow the universe light of love to fill your heart and mind. Imagine your thoughts dissolving and floating away into peace. Your mind is at peace, clear as blue sky. Focus on all that you are grateful for in your life and thank Mother Earth and the universe for every blessing. Come through, Spirit. Remember we were just talking about that? Affirmation. I trust in the power of love. I trust that all will unfold as it should. My mind is like a clear blue sky. My heart is filled with love. All upon the earth is bathed in a sea of love. Wow, that was a beautiful message. I heard that, Scorpio. So it sounds like you got some work to do, Scorpio. You want to offer your cup of love? Well, you got to transform. You know? All right. I'm Yolo Queen B. Remember, you only live once, and I love you. Namaste.